Welcome to Cisco One Software Selling Motions Training Track. This module focuses on the customer and partner conversations that will help you sell Cisco One software. With software innovation driving an increasing percentage of IT buying decisions, our customers have raised issues with the traditional model of selling software licenses tied to hardware. Some of the things we continue to hear from IT and finance departments include, "There are so many license options, it's just too complicated." "My IT spend is erratic. Why am I buying the same software licenses over and over again?" "I would rather have my IT spend more focused on business outcomes and not managing software licenses." And managing our Cisco software and service can be an administrative nightmare. Cisco One software helps to address all of these issues to better serve your customers. Cisco One software provides a cost-effective way to purchase the technologies and products that customers need to roll out specific solutions. It also provides access to ongoing innovation and the ability to port software licenses to both physical and virtual devices when your customer determines it's appropriate. Additionally, Cisco One software provides your customers more flexibility to purchase software licenses that align better to their needs today and in the future. Finally, as a help with the daily management and maintenance of the network, Cisco One software provides a comprehensive view of all software and service licenses across the network. Now let's take a closer look at the details of Cisco One software. In the traditional model, there are thousands of separately priced SKUs. Software usually comes bundled with hardware, limiting portability and forcing customers to repurchase software licenses when hardware is replaced. With Cisco One software, we are moving to a new model that provides many advantages to the customer. The Cisco One software model is much simpler for customers to consume, with 3 suites and 3 tiers. It separates hardware and software in the sale, so the software is portable regardless of the hardware. This model provides lower total cost of ownership and a much more flexible purchasing model. Cisco One software is built on a 3x3 matrix that aligns all software into 3 verticals: data center, WAN, and access. Each vertical includes 3 tiers: Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security, simplifying the choices the customer has and provides them with expanded business value across the entire Cisco portfolio. Note the infrastructure and base OS licenses are not a part of the Cisco One software offering. How is Cisco One software different from the traditional Cisco model? Under the traditional model, customers had to choose from hundreds of items, each separately priced. With Cisco One software, we offer solution-oriented suites with value-priced bundles. With the traditional model, software licenses were tied to hardware. With Cisco One software, customers now have software license portability with access to future technology innovation. Finally, with the traditional model, software licenses were perpetual for the lifetime of the hardware. With Cisco One software, customers have new flexibility to purchase software based on what fits their needs, whether that's continuing under a perpetual license, moving to a subscription model, or choosing an ELA. The Cisco One software model gives your customers more value and flexibility to make the best business decisions for their organization. Cisco One software helps provide value across the entire customer lifecycle. At purchase, there are broader feature sets within the bundles, better TCO, and easier consumption models that make Cisco One software an attractive offer to explore with the customer. After deployment, as customers maintain and support their infrastructure, they enjoy easier management from smart software licensing, gaining a complete view of their software, services, and devices in one easy-to-use portal, and flexible licensing across all devices. They also get access to license portability, software upgrades, and access to ongoing software innovation. Finally, customers can continue to their network performance and increase availability and resiliency by engaging with advanced services for day 2 optimization. Now let's take a closer look at the value propositions of Cisco One software that will resonate with your customers. Some of the most common include Total Cost of Ownership, TCO. Customer savings will range from 5 to 50% based on architecture. Improved upfront Cisco revenue based on revenue recognition. Value at purchase. Cisco One software value pricing provides customer with up to 50% more software for 10% increase in cost. Ongoing value. Decoupled software and hardware enables greater business agility. Ensures that software stays fresh and vibrant through the lifecycle. Software license portability. Investment protection. Never buy the software again. Future-proof for changes in product families or a move to virtual. Business innovation. Access to new innovation can drive faster refresh cycles when software is decoupled from hardware. New customers are the ideal profile for the Cisco One software suite as it aligns to the needs across all customer types within an organization, including IT, finance, and line of business. The selling motions for Cisco One software can be used not only across all account types, but also for different stages of accounts. Initially, you may present Cisco One as a lower-cost swap-out for traditional a la carte solutions on the BOM. However, you can also present the value that Cisco One software with lower TCO and access to innovation. Traditionally, IT and finance drive IT purchasing cycles. Cisco One software offers new options where customers are looking for software license portability in different consumption models. For current customers with more than one application can achieve better economies of scale, for the IT teams are struggling with software standardization and the management of licenses. You will find that IT and finance aren't the only entry points into an account to sell Cisco One software. Over the last several years, line of business has become a major driver of IT spending. According to a 2013 Corporate Executive Board, or CEB, survey of 129 organizations representing $29 billion in IT spending, line of business now accounts for up to 40% of an organization's overall IT spending. Cisco One software will give you the tools to engage the customer in new ways and better engage the customer's business requirements. We will look at three primary sales motions when talking to the customer about Cisco One software. These include BOM switch-out, offering value, and embedding in the customer's line of business. The first sales motion we will look at is a basic BOM switch-out. A customer has taken an interest in the specific application or applications that are a part of the Cisco One software bundle. Propose Cisco One SKUs instead of an a la carte SKU, and the customer will save money while gaining additional value. It is individual versus bundle pricing. This is a simplified use of Cisco One software, and it only captures a small part of the value. With the Cisco One software suite, when the customer buys the ISR 2900 with the Cisco One Software WAN Foundation bundle for $4,300, they receive Security, WAS, EnergyWise, PrimeLC, Prime Assurance, and VNAM. If the customer bought all of these software packages separately, it would cost approximately $6,180. The customer receives more by buying via the Cisco One software bundle versus purchasing the software a la carte. The next selling motion focuses on how Cisco One software provides additional value as a solution. Explain the value and benefits of each component of software in the Cisco One software bundle and show how the customer can benefit from the additional features to achieve more value. Highlight how license portability creates additional value at refresh, since the Cisco One software licenses that were purchased continues to be used on the new hardware. Using these tactics helps reduce the amount of discounts needed to sell into an account. Let's take a look at using the benefits of TCO to position Cisco One and drive business. The reduced total cost of ownership can provide savings from approximately 3 to 5%, all the way up to in excess of 50%. depending on the configuration and products offered. Keep in mind that Cisco One software bundles will almost always provide a better TCO for your customer. Customers can realize even greater TCO savings when you can displace a competitor's products and software. Cisco One software also provides the ability to leverage software across platform upgrades and changes. Future-proofs customer investment with software and virtual upgrades. Provides access to innovation. Provides additional capabilities to block competitive offerings. From an investment protection perspective, customers benefit by not having to relicense software when they do a refresh. If they stay with the same family of product, there is no charge. If they do upgrade to a more advanced family, they only pay the difference between the prices of those two product families. In addition, if customers decide to virtualize, they only pay the upgrade fee for that capability. So in essence, you're always protecting the customer's original investment in the software and are only charging them when they upgrade to more advanced products. From an access to innovation perspective, customers enjoy all updates and upgrades, as well as any innovation Cisco adds to the software suite via development, acquisition, or enhancements. A good example to use when explaining this benefit is Cisco's recent security software acquisitions and how that will tie directly into security suite enhancements. Cisco One software also drives significant savings during the refresh part of the software product lifecycle. Customers have a savings of approximately 9% over the 5-year period by purchasing Cisco One software. In this example, the customer gets approximately $8.4 million in savings over that 5-year time period. While lower TCO across refresh is a powerful driver for customers, keep in mind that ongoing innovation is also an important driver as well. New features and technologies may actually drive faster refresh cycles as customers buy up to get access to new business innovation. This scenario will be most common with customers who use leading-edge technology to drive their own competitive advantage. When you are selling long-term value to the customer, look to how Cisco can achieve business relevancy by meeting line of business problems. Position the Cisco One software offering as a technical part of the customer's business solutions. Use the group synergy of the Cisco One software offering to increase the business velocity of your customer solutions. Ongoing innovation to the customer's Cisco One software offering maintains the business edge needed in today's competitive market. An example of solving a line of business challenge might be to stop an organization from losing potential customers by helping them better handle the massive seasonal traffic that comes during the holidays. In this case, you aren't selling specific products, but a set of solutions that meets those organizational challenges. Another example of adding value to your customer's line of business could be to help solve a restaurant's capacity issue by providing a way for the business to increase throughput. Again, while BYOD base identity services, location services, content push, and intrusion protection are the Cisco offerings, you are selling the solution of a problem, not products. This type of engagement makes Cisco an important part of how the customer does business and provides deeper entrenchment than you can get with an IT solution. An example of solving a line of business challenge might be to stop an organization from losing potential customers by helping them better handle the massive seasonal traffic that comes during the holidays. In this case, you aren't selling specific products, but a set of solutions that meets those organizational challenges. Another example of adding value to your customer's line of business could be to help solve a restaurant's capacity issue by providing a way for the business to increase throughput. Again, while BYOD base identity services, location services, content push, and intrusion protection are the Cisco offerings, you are selling the solution of a problem, not products. This type of engagement makes Cisco an important part of how the customer does business and provides deeper entrenchment than you can get with an IT solution. Cisco One software is a powerful driver in competitive engagements. The value of bundled solutions can be a game changer, bypassing a direct head-to-head competition on features. Instead of selling speeds and feeds, Cisco One software opens up TCO and business value conversations. Cisco One software will gain the most traction when the customer has been introduced to the features in the bundle and has some level of interest, even if it wasn't to the point of being a budgetable item. If there were several features within the bundle that they were interested in, the overall value of the bundle becomes much greater. Few competitors have the breadth of portfolio that Cisco offers. Providing a bundled solution may box out the competition, since they cannot offer an apple-to-apple solution to Cisco One software. This Wegmans case study provides a great example of how Cisco One software can not only make you more competitive, but potentially block out competitors, since they cannot match the breadth of the solution bundle. In this case, Cisco was going head-to-head with Juniper, and a major consideration was price. There were other products from Cisco, including AC access points, ICE, and EnergyWise that the customer was interested in, but they were not budgeted. With the increased value of the Cisco One software bundle, the customer was able to meet the immediate need for updated access switches, plus move up implementation of the new AC access points. Also, because Juniper was unable to provide an apple-to-apple solution, they were blocked out of the deal. The technical services for Cisco One software is comprised of two services that cover hardware and software support. Software Support Service, which supports the three product Cisco One software product types: Advanced Security, Advanced Application, and Foundation. Swiss is contracted throughout the term of the Cisco One offering. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care support the infrastructure layer and base operating system. SmartNet is required for the first year. Professional services for Cisco One software covers the entire Cisco One software portfolio, including what's covered by technical services. The service offerings are known as Quick Start Day 1 and Optimization Day 2 services. These services are designed to provide your customer with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that the Cisco One software services they have purchased will be deployed and will operate under the guiding hands of Cisco Professional Services. As you've seen, Cisco One software can help you solve the challenges and concerns that customers have with how Cisco products and services are traditionally sold. Cisco One software makes it easier and more cost-effective for your customers to purchase the technologies they need as they address the business challenges within their organizations. Access to ongoing innovation and the flexibility to port their software licenses to virtual devices will give customers more confidence that the solutions purchased today will still be relevant to their IT needs in the future, without pushing future technologies into place before their organization is ready. Finally, by using Cisco One software smart accounts, the burden of managing software and service licenses and the potential of buying unnecessary duplicates is reduced. If you are successful, your client will have a Cisco One software bundle that is offering them tactical and strategic business solutions at an unmatched low cost and ease of licensing simplicity. Pitch Cisco One software in every deal. Position Cisco One software early in your deal. Practically every deal can be a Cisco One software opportunity. Speak to business outcomes. This will help you increase your deal sizes and create upside opportunities. Complete all the Cisco One software training program tracks. Mark deals in SFDC as Cisco One software opportunities. This will give you access to more resources designed to help you close the deal. Identify 3 Cisco One software opportunities and share them with your manager. And finally, identify where you can pull the rug out from under your competition.